We're at the Gendex booth, and we're here to show you the new DP-700 and how it can benefit your practice. One of the unique things about the DP-700 is it's focused on repeatability, versatility, and upgradability. And repeatability, what we mean by that is we want to make sure we can get the image quality that you're looking for and repeat that image quality for all your x-rays that you take. And one of the unique important features about that allows us repeatability is to center the patient in the focal trough and make sure they're always focused in the scan. One of the things here is the line that you actually focus on to get them in the center of the focal trough is now a button instead of something that you move. You just push a button and it tells the machine where to start the scan to center the patient inside the focal trough. So that's where you get your repeatability and consistency in your image quality. When we talk about versatility, we want to talk about the ability to go to 2D to 3D all at a push of a button. So you're at a panoramic. When you want to go to 3D, now it's a 3D machine. Very simply placing the patient just like you take a panoramic scan. For the 3D, very similar, same thing. But when you want to select an area that you want to take a 3D scan on, just push the button. All you have to do when you take a 3D scan to reduce the scatter of metal or any type of artifacts that may cause scatter in the image, you can reduce that scatter by just pushing a button and taking the scan. When we talk about the upgradability on the machine, a lot of doctors want to buy a machine that they can grow with and want to be able to take a panoramic itself, maybe with a couple other functions like bite wing capability, those type of things, but then they may want to add, later on, get into orthodontics, may want to add a cephalometric capability. You could do that with this machine. The other thing is that if they do want to start out with 2D only and then eventually get into 3D, maybe when their implant practice is growing or implant business is growing, they can add a 3D sensor to the machine. All of that can be designed directly within the GUI touchpad, and it's very simple and easy to use. If you'd like more information about the Gendex DP-700, you could go to www.gendex.com.